what's up, y'all? If you like DIYs, make sure you stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you how to go from this bathroom to this bathroom. Okay, we're about to be bougie and Pinterest on a budget, so make sure you stay tuned to this video. So I decided to go to Marshalls today. It's June 1st, and they opened today, and I grabbed some items. My total was $139. My budget was $140, y'all. So y'all don't believe it. These are all the items I purchased. Look at these prices, y'all. You see this? $139, and my budget was $140. So I brought most of these items to go into my guest bathroom. So this is how the bathroom looks right now. Just plain Mojo Dojo. That's it. These are the rugs. This. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my bathroom and join me. All right, guys, so the items that I purchased for the bathroom are these. So Set Goes and Crush them. I got this candle, these plants, this basket, these towels, this rug, this painting, this Choose to Be Happy, and I've got Sunshine on a Cloudy Day. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the decor. I'm just going to clean this off. All right, guys, I'm all done. I added this paper towel roll, which I got from Bed Bath & Beyond on sale for $11. And I also got my toilet seat cover from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this one was $12. But yeah, so I love the way that my guest bathroom turns out. I'm super excited as we get ready to plan a little gathering for my husband. So yeah, so if you like videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe and comment and let me know what's your favorite part about our guest bathroom. And if you have a bathroom that you decided to redecorate, and how do you get ideas to decorate? I go on Pinterest. I love going on Pinterest. Also, these two sprays I got from Marshalls as well. They were like $2 each, so I'm super excited about that. So thanks for watching again, guys. Love you so much. Bye.